Welcome to Perfection on Pickering. Hi, I'm Christina Kroner, Sales Representative at Remax Hallmark, and I'm proud to present to you my newest listing. Welcome to 100 Pickering Street. Here we have a detached home in one of Toronto's best neighborhoods, and I'll tell you why. You are steps away from transit, shopping, lovely cafes, the Glen Stewart Ravine, the brand new YMCA, and you can even take a stroll to the beach. And inside, you'll find 12.5-foot ceilings. Also in your backyard, you have a fenced backyard and a parking pad in the front. Come take a tour for yourself.